How are you keeping yourself clear these days for what's to come? Because goodness knows we all seem to have a lot in our baskets that we've gathered, and we distract ourselves with it and we get ourselves confused, don't we? Thinking that that's who we are, these preferences that we have to believe one way, to believe another, to fight against someone who believes one way, to try and persuade someone who believes another. But maybe that's what we're meant to put at the feet of God. Thank you. All right, thank you. And now what? Because I want to be in that clear moment. So I don't know. You let me know.